Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Export Tally Trade channel. My name is Barbara from Hyderabad. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make the bill of material for manufacturing, for automatic manufacturing, automatic entry for manufacturing. How to make the bill of material with alternate units, not one unit, two units. Okay. Before entering the topic, we request to you, many students, they are entering the coming to visiting the channel and watching the videos and going out without subscribing to the channel. So my request is, please everyone subscribe to my channel once. Once you subscribe to my channel, and then click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You get it so that you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And another most important thing is, please visit or visit every video, watch every video, go till the end. Don't skip in the middle. You skip in the middle, you will understand the topic or subject up to that point only. The balance topic or subject you cannot understand, you don't know. So it will be like of knowledge. It's a waste of time. Not necessary. It is not required. It is a waste of time. That is why please watch every video. See, you are attending the college. So for degree, BCom, BA, BSc, or any postgraduate, any degree, we are attending college for the academic qualification. We are attending and sitting in the college at least 2 to 3 hours in the college every day. But here we are learning tally frames of their professional course. Okay, that is professional training strategy. That is why the professional course, the tally frame software is very useful for our career and for our life also. That is why we have to spend time on this also. So at least every video will be around 40 to 50 minutes, maximum less than 1 hour. So you have to spend the time on this also and watch every video till the end so that you will get full expert knowledge relating to this topic or subject. So don't forget, watch every video till the end, and after watching till the end, if the video is good, please like the video so that the YouTube people will share this video with many people so that many people can learn this topic. Okay, now we will enter to the topic. Enter to the share the screen. See here, previously in what we did one problem, that is assembling of computers. So purchasing units and BOM, required material, manufacturing, everything is 1 unit only. That is numbers are pieces. But here in this problem, so there are 2 units. So this is the making of breads, making of cakes. So we purchase the material in kgs for manufacture the material from finished goods in kgs also and sell in kgs only. But after purchasing that, when you are making the bill of material, so in the bill of material, you have to give the material required quantity, the material and the required quantity for making 1 unit of the finished goods. So in such a case, the unit, but that is the unit required for making 1 unit will be less than the main unit. So kgs of the main units less than the main unit means it will be grams. So in grams, you have to take the material. So in this case, material BOM, we have to use grams, and other things it will be kg. So there are 2 units. So what we have to do is we have to take, this is called as alternate units. We have to take the alternate units also. In this problem, a new thing is there is a opening balance sheet, that is balance sheet of last year. First of all, you have to take the balances. So go to this and created the company. So already created the company, you know how to create the company. And then after that, we go to the F1 features, we go to F11. So all the everything required with will maintain accounts, enable bill wise entry, maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory, then enable the goods and services that with correct number and then accept it. So created the company, enable the GST details, GST and other details in the features and required features we enabled. Now we will go to that. So what you do here is the thing is here the balance in the balance sheet assets and liabilities are given. You have to create the ledgers and enter the amounts as opening balances. So how you do? So go to see here, go to alter, and I already created all the assets and everything. Not only this, other assets, other ledgers also I created. For other ledgers, when we are making entry, we can do. And ledgers, what we do, we can create. See, like this, we can create capital account. Capital account is the group. And after this, come to the end, control SBQ, right? To come to the opening balance for chapter. Open 2,75,000. 2,75,000. It is a liability capital account. So it shows a credit. So credit side it will show, and a debit amount will show on the debit side. At the end, after finishing all, the debit and credit assets and liabilities should be equal. So there should not be any balance. Like this, every item, every ledger you can create, and at the end, you can do the ledger. We can do the opening balance, closing balance of last year, first year to opening balance. So opening balance we can do. This you can do. Or there are only 3 plus 3, 6 items. You can create and do the opening balances. Or if there are a lot of items also, all these we can create at a time, and we can create and we can use the balances. So how we will do that? Then we go to, these are creating a single ledger. Go to the single master. Go to the chart of accounts, select ledgers. So here, all the ledgers I created already. I created. All are good. Go to multi-master. Suppose if you want to create, multi-create. All items means all ledgers under all groups from their capital. So it comes under capital account. Balance, that is the group is capital account, and the balance is, after that, balance is 2,75,000. Like this, you can create every ledger, use the balance, use the opening balance, all these things. Or here, you can do. So here, what you have to do, already we created, we have to give only the opening balance. That means every ledger, we have to make alteration because there is no opening balance. Now we are doing. So like that. So it is creating like this. Already I created. So we have to go to the multi-masters. Here, not creating. Alteration is giving the opening balance also in the. If they select all, so all the ledgers are available. Not only this, other ledgers also which I created. If we create only these six will be available for them. You have to do the opening balance. When you are creating here, we should not create cash and profit and loss already. That by default is available. So that the opening balance should be given in order page. Go to the if you have valid masters, the accounting masters, go to order page. Here you select cash and there you go opening balance. Or if you go here like this multi-author, all the items will be created also, created by us or by default creation. Every ledger will be shown. We can do the balances. Here first one is capital, select capital. So click the here, mouse here in the required field, cursor will come there. 2,75,000. 2,75,000. It is a credit balance. The next one is loan from SBI. The loan from SBI. So here it comes at a loan from SBI means that taking loan. So it comes actually loans liability you can take. But in the case of banks and other financial institutions, you have to provide security. That is why it is called as secure loan. Some financial bank means definitely they will take the security. Some financial institution they will do the loan, but without security they will do. So in that case, you can take unsecured loan. So loan from friends, relatives, others, hand loans and all these things, you can take it as loans liability. So this is secure loans, balance is 1,20,000. Okay. And then next one is profit and loss account. By default, it is created already. So there is no group for that. So this is 32 is the balance. Okay. And then come to the result. Furniture. So come to the furniture. It is a fixed assets. When I creating this, it comes group will be taken as fixed asset and no other details should be given. At the end, type of supply, services, goods, capital goods. No, in that the assets, fixed asset is the group. It is to be taken as capital goods, is not the goods means trading goods, buying or selling. Okay. So fixed assets, balance amount is 3,26,000. 3,20,000. This is the debit. These are all credit liabilities. This is asset debit. And then HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank means our current account in HDFC Bank. The OD and all this is different. Loan is there. So loan from SBI or loan from HDFC comes under secured loan. HDFC Bank or SBI account means it is a current account. So it comes under bank account. Bank account means current account. What is the amount? 91,000. And then at the end, cash. Cash is also there, already created very fast. Cash in hand with the group and amount is 12,000. See, we completed this, then come down and we can control the access. Now we can go and see the balance sheet, go and see the balance sheet on first April. First April balance sheet, 4,29,000, 4 lakh. Okay. Now, what we have to do is, we have to create the other ledgers we can create at the time of entry. This goes to, and stock items also we can create at the time of entry. So here, what we have to do is, here, first of all, I created all the stock items also. First of all, we will take out the whole will take out. See this stock items, units I created. Units means pages are the main units, and the alternate is grams you have to create. And for one item, it is pieces. All the three you have to create. Here, simple unit only grams, GMS, grams, accept, and then kgs, kilograms, cases, and here for kgs, there will be the alternative is gram. So three digits, 999, up to 99 is grams. So three digits required. So three digits you are taking pieces. So and pieces you are taking code, and there will be no decimal places. So I created this one. And also for storing this material, godowns are required. I created already. So raw material, godown 1, raw material is given in this. Godown 1, raw material. Godown 2, finished goods. Godown 1, raw material. Godown 2, finished goods. Godown 3, bakery. Okay. These three are created, given in the top. So these are created. And we are make the voucher entries. In the case of voucher entries, how to do this? Yeah. Voucher entries we will do. In the voucher entry, that is on 1st September, we have taken, we will take 1st May. 1st May, we will take up 1st May. What is the purchase from? Heritage goods. The bill number is, this is the bill number, that is supplier invoice number, the same date it will take. We purchase from Heritage Foods. So Heritage Foods I already created, select that, you see, Heritage Foods, and the data and everything given up. Andhra Pradesh means IGST and regular number is given. Okay, over. And then this receipt details, then what details are there, Andhra Pradesh, IGST, purchases you are making. And now I created all the groups. So we have to take them. And here, so here all we are purchasing in cages. We are purchasing in cages. For the cages, we require the, see, when in the BOM, we are taking the alternate DB. So for every stock item, in addition to the main item pages and the alternative item also, alternative unit also, we have to give. We have to take the unit also, that is alternate unit. So for everything, I created only main unit. Now we have to do alternate unit also when I have created. See what are the things we purchase? Butter. So I created butter. Take butter. Here in this case, here see, in this case, quantity, rate, amount are given, but when we are purchasing the raw material, where you will store the godown required. Finished goods, where you are storing, and the bakery, and the godowns are there. So the godown field is not there here. That is when you take the stock item, it will ask the quantity, rate, and amount plus godown. It will ask a small another window. So like this, you will take. So from purchases, you come. First one is butter. Take BUT. Yeah, butter you are purchasing. See here. You take purchase butter. It is also go down quantity rate. Before that, so butter we created. We created all the details except, so this is the main unit. That is the main unit, the primary unit is main unit is kgs. We require the alternate unit also. We have to the alternate is gram. So grams you have to take alternate units. How many grams one main unit? How many units of that is what we call alternate units is equal to main unit. So we have to do the definition also. So here once you have to do only once. Go to this. See here, this is the main unit of measure. Below that, use alternate units. Make it yes. You make it yes. So another option here, alternate units. So this is the main unit. Come down to the alternate unit. What is the alternate unit? Gram. So gram is the alternate unit. And what is the relation? Where quantity? So gram is the alternate unit. How many grams equal to main unit? So 1000 grams are equal to 1 kg. Answer. So this is what go down is go down 1. This is go down 1 raw material. So you take 1, it will open here, go down 1 raw material. And quantity, see here, 6 kgs, 200 kgs. 6, 6 kgs will purchase, 6 kgs it is given. So here, what to do is, here, you have to do whatever value you you take as the main unit. Give 6 is given, is taking as 6 kgs, and we have given 3 decimals. So after 6, 0, 0, 0. So up to 999 will be in grams. And this is the main unit. And what is the alternate unit is gram. So 1000 grams is 1 kg. So 6 kg means 6000 grams. It will show the alternate in the brackets. Main unit, alternate will show in the grams in the bracket. And what is the quantity is given, and the rate is 200 rupees. Okay. So like this, for every unit, every item, we do the main item, main unit. It will show the, to take the kgs, it will show the alternate unit also. Let's go. Next, second one, sugar. Sugar also, we have to take sugar also. Go to this one. So here, you see, because we activated the F12, we activated alternate unit. So in every goods stock item, the alternate unit come, but we have to give the value here. Come down, alternate unit, grams, 1000 grams is equal to 1 unit, accept. So here also, go down one, quantity is 12 kgs, 80 rupees. 12 kgs, 12 kgs, 12,000 grams. So 80 rupees, come, and then chocolate comes with it. Chocolate, this chocolate is this chocolate is, chocolate cake is the main, that is the final product. And the chocolate, this is the raw material. And here, go back, accept. When you are creating, you can give directly. Now already created, only this is to be given. That is why I am going there. So come down. So here, alternate unit, 8 grams. Okay, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Accept. And then brown one, quantity chocolate, 5 kgs, 650 each kg. 650 each kg. Then next one, flour. FL is flour. Again, come back. Control enter. Control enter means you open. So kgs, and then come down. Alternate units, kgs. Grams, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. And here, when you are taking this, we show in all the reports, we take kgs. So even if it is grams, it will be converted into kgs. That is where reporting will be kgs. If the main item, main unit is taken, that main unit is the reporting unit. So that will be here. Okay, accepted. Then go down one, then flour 15 kgs, 45 rupees per kg. 15 kgs, 45 rupees per kg. Then milk, take milk. We are taking milk to take, and here accept and enter control enter. So here also come down, already in it, grams, 1000. It actually should be liters and ml, taken as grams of kg and gram. 1000 grams, 1 kg. And here, this is exempt. This is exempt. All others are taxable, get the 5% exempt, and this is the main reporting unit. And go down, and how much milk? 12 kg, 70 rupees per kg. Then next one is X. X you have taken, and X here, for X it is pieces, and for X after the pieces come down. So for X pieces, for kgs alternative is grams. For pieces there is no alternative. So take not applicable. That's why there is no alternative unit. That is why reporting is not. The reporting unit is pieces only. Main unit is only reporting unit. That is why pieces it is not showing main unit. In the case of alternative units, we may report in kgs or report in grams, but we report in main unit only. That's why it is taking as grams, kgs. If you want to change, you can make reporting in grams means everything 10 gram, 10 kilo means 10,000 grams. That is why main units only we report. So go down one, and what is the X? How many? 100 pieces, 4 rupees per piece. Okay, 4 rupees per piece. 4 rupees per piece. Then vanilla extract. You take vanilla extract, go back and go back, control enter. Here, come down. Grams, that is alternative grams. 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. So here, reporting unit kg is taken automatically. And then go down number 1, that is vanilla extract 2 kgs, 1000 rupees per kg. Okay. And then baking powder. Then baking powder. Baking powder, go baking. So here kgs, then alternative grams, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Okay. And then go down 1, how much is purchased? Baking powder, 1 kg, 3700. Okay. So each one is salt. Salt you take, go back. So control enter, come down, say alternate unit, grams, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. Now go down 1, yeah, 1 kg 40 rupees. So 1 kg 40 rupees. 1 kg 40 rupees per kg. So this is the all the goods purchase. So coming down to the total. Now at a goods in Vijayawada, IGST calculate IGST here 3000, 13,676. In the problem total is given as 13,965 is the actual amount. But here in the problem milk is also taxable, it is taken. But here milk I have taken as exempted. Milk I have taken as exempt. That is why for milk there is no tax. For milk, there is no tax. That is why the amount is less. So it is 3,960 by 13,000. 960 by 676. Less, that is less than the, it is reduced by the tax in the milk, for the milk. Okay. This is it. Okay. This is okay now. Now we purchased. Now what to do is we have to make the bill of material. So with the material required for making, so what you are doing is making chocolate cakes 30 kgs. So for making 1 kg of chocolate cake, these are the ingredients they can have. Ingredients are raw material required. It is in grams. So we have to, first of all, we have to create the, what to do? We have to create the bill of material. So go to the alter page, go to voucher types. So here that will not be available. So create. So we call it as manufacturing journal or voucher. Whatever it is. Manufacturing voucher and or you can take it as journal also. Both are voucher. Manufacturing voucher. It also comes under stock journal. So manufacturing, taking from raw material, manufacturing and transferring to finished goods. But stock journal means simply only pure transfer of material. This is transfer plus manufacturing. So it is also comes under stock journal and the shortcut key also same for both Alt F7. So come down here. Method of numbering automatic come here and here come down here. Use as say this stock journal is pure transfer material. But this manufacturing voucher, it is used for manufacturing also. So use as a manufacturing journal. Yes, accept. Yes, accepted. Now, this is the voucher we made. Now we will go to the vouchers. May. Second May. See here, this is the thing. 2nd May. So these are the material required. 2nd September, we have 2nd May. 30 days of cake is taken. Okay. And here, when you are making the bill of material, so what is the necessity? This bill of material is required for making the chocolate. So for making 1 kg of chocolate cake, what is the material required? So in this case, see here, if there is no alternate unit, in the finished goods only, after this, what we have to do is we have to prepare the bill of material for making the chocolate cake. So here you have to give the material required for producing, for making 1 unit of the finished goods. That is called as bill of material. That we have to get that. See, alternate unit are taking like that. Another option, bill of material. So go to 12. So after alternate units here, set components list means set raw material list. It is also called bill of material in stock items. Make it yes. You make it yes, accept. So there is another option. We get down. Additional options. Alter components means it's already done many times. That's why it is showing alter. First time it will show set components bill. The set components bill of material. Make yes. With the bill of material will open. List will open. We have to do. So bill of material list for chocolate cake we have to use some name. So we will do simply tablet cake will give. This is the name of the bill of material for the manufacturing of finished goods chocolate cake. The same name you. And what is the bill of material we are giving? We are giving for making 1 unit here kg. So that you made 30 kg for making 1 kg food. That bill of unit is kg for the finished goods. So for making 1 kg, what is the items required? So here we will take up all this butter 90 grams. So we'll take up butter. Butter godown is from raw material godown only. Godown 1. Storing raw material godown from godown 1 only, but transferring to manufacturing. So godown 1, it is component, byproduct, co-product, all this. It is component, means raw material. Raw material and quantity required is 90 grams. So here we must be careful. So there we give the 90 kgs only purchase. In the bill of material, you must be careful. If you give 90, these are 90 grams. If you give 90, to take as main unit 90 kgs. But so what you have to do is 90 and the alternate unit is gram. You have to give the one letter G. If you give G, automatically it will convert into kgs. You see, 90 grams means 90 grams means per kg 1000 grams. So by divided 1000, 90 divided 1000, 0.09 kg. So 0.09, 3 digits, no? Another 0 is showing. So 330, that is 0.090 kg. So, okay, the next one. Next one is butter. Next one is chocolate. Or you can take this one here, butter. Not breaking this list, it will take no problem. Take around 1 component and what is that? Baking powder. Baking powder 10 grams. 10 G, don't forget. 10 G. So you can you take as 10 kg. You don't have 10 kg. So down. And the next one, this is over. And this is a finished goods. Don't take this. Then chocolate, unsweetened. Go down 1 component. What chocolate? 70 grams. 70 G. You 70 G, 70 grams. Then what is the material? After the X, take the X, raw material 1 component. It is actually using different unit. X requires 3 pieces. 3 pieces. So there is no alternate unit for that. Directly it will take pieces. And then after X, so we have to take flour, go down 1 component. What is the flour required? 350 grams. 350 grams required. 350 means 0.350, 3 digits. And after flour, the next one is milk. Next one is milk. Go down 1 component. What is the quantity required? Milk required 150 grams. 150 grams. 150 grams. Okay, 150 grams. And then the next one is milk. Then next one is salt. Salt, go down 1 component. And the required quantity is salt is 10 grams. 10 grams. Required quantity is 10 grams. And then required quantity 10 grams. And then sugar. We take sugar, go down 1 component. Sugar required is sugar. So 150 grams. 150 G, don't forget. If you 150 to 150 kgs, 150 grams. Then vanilla extract. Last one is vanilla extract. Go down 1 component. Vanilla extract required is 15 grams. Only 15 grams. 15 grams means 0.015. So these are 30. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. There are 10 items, only finished goods. So this is completed. So and then after giving that, you do all this. When you are creating, you can do now also all these are given. All these are given as 5% food item. So bill of material is completed. 1 minute. We completed bill of material. Okay. Now after completing the bill of material, now we have to go to the manufacturing journal. So that's already we created. See in the voucher type, we created manufacturing voucher. Okay. Now we will go to the vouchers, manufacturing voucher, same date, second May. Okay. Manufacturing voucher. That is what we call that. If we go to the other vouchers, you can see manufacturing voucher, Alt F7. Stock journal is also F7. The manufacturing voucher is done, is created under stock journal. So both are same, Alt F7. So we can see Alt F7 to show the voucher type, stock journal is showing. So if you take stock journal, you only transfer. Manufacturing voucher is manufacture and transfer. Select manufacturing. So here, manufacture of material, manufacturing voucher number one. Here, so automatically it will take. So everything is same because already we have done. The BOM, making the BOM is only the difference. Alternate units you must be very careful. So I am giving alternate unit at you. If you take, convert into main unit. So if you take 70 grams, it will convert into 0.070 kg. That is the only thing. Here if you do the finished product is chocolate cake. You do that, automatically bill of material also will come. As per the, for this is the bill of material name. The bill of material name of the material go down as chemical, and here go down we are transferring after this, go down to, that is finished goods you are transferring. And if you do the quantity, and depending on the quantity, we are given in the bill of material grams required to make one chocolate cake, 1 kg. But now 30 kgs to make 30 kgs automatically. This is thing. These are pieces, all these are kgs. Okay. So all these are kgs now. So at the end of list, and after that will come this side. Any product or scrap available, that you have to the value of everything. If you do that, the amount of the scrap or product, that value will be reduced from this. The cost of production, cost of the material will go down because we are recovering something is not available. And here, cost of components it is showing the same amount. To do some scrap or byproduct, that will be reduced and the net amount will be shown here. So it's not available. And additional expenses I also created. So here, these are the thing, additional expenses paid. Labor charges, additional expenses, labor charges 1,000 rupees. That you they are already created. And when you are creating this labor charges, you see, labor charges, tax you don't do anything, not applicable. Labor charges and all these expenses are direct for the production. Take as the direct expenses, 1,000 rupees. So if it is percentage, you give percentage here. If you give 5%, automatically it will calculate. If it is not percentage, go there directly, 1,000 rupees. Amount 1,000 rupees. We are giving 1,000 rupees. Other expenses, factory electricity 10% of material cost. So factory, you take factory electricity, here percentage is given. 10% is given. 10% of the material cost. And then come down. Next one is factory rent. Again, type factory rent. Factory rent also given as 5%. So percent is given, will give here, will calculate. So amount is given, directly will enter the amount at the end. Factory then administrative expenses. Admin expenses, which is given as 2% of the material, 2%. And carriage expenses, carriage invoice is carriage item as carriage expenses given as 1%. So this is the 1,873 is the cost of the additional expenses and cost of material 4,000. Total amount is 6,881.72. This is the total cost of production including expense. Divided by how many units made? 30 kgs divided by 30 per kg 229.39 paisa. 229.39 paisa is the amount of the is the cost of each kg, cost of 1 kg. Okay, and after this, nothing is given here. This is over, and there is one more thing is there. And here, if you purchase already, we purchase some material from heritage goods. So after this, you can pay something to them. So if you take payment entry, so here debit heritage goods, what is the amount payable? 13,000. We are paying 10,000 for example. So 10,000 against reference 10,000. The balance will be 3,000 change. So we are paying cash. Take for example, we are paying cash 10,000. We cash to be returned, and then it is over. And then what will do is here this is done. So paid to creditor, and then it is not yet sold. If you sell that, we may get money from the debtor also. Here there is one more thing is given. So we prepared everything. So some amount we paid to the creditor, and now there is one more thing is given. So here in the bill of material, that is not bill of the manufacturing voucher. So this is the total cost of production for all the 30 kgs. This is the cost of production, and this is the unit rate per unit that is given. This is the manufacturing cost. After that, only expenses incurred for manufacturing will be part of the manufacturing cost. But here it is given So we manufacture and we are storing this in finished goods godown. And from this, we may transfer to some other godowns. For example, it is the bakery. So in this case, what is given? So finished goods godown, the material is stored, but we are transferring some amount of the product to the bakery for sales. So here we are sending the one. So bill of material is for manufacturing voucher is for manufacturing and transfer to finished goods. But now here we are transferring to bakery godown from finished goods godown. So transfer from one godown to another godown. It is pure transfer goods stock journal is used for journal, that is transfer. So all step 7 again we take. So here stock journal is we take transfer of material, transfer from finished goods to bakery. So here how many is given? Then 20 kgs of cakes are transferred to godown 3. So here chocolate cake is the product, and from which godown? From godown to finished goods godown, we transferred 20 kgs, 229.39 is the cost, total amount is this one. And here the same material, chocolate cake, transferring to godown 3. Godown 3, that is godown 3 is bakery. Transferring to bakery, same 20 kgs, same amount is shown. But for when you are manufacturing, the total expenses will be included in the manufacturing. This manufacturing is completed. Now, part of the goods produced, manufactured, are transferred to another godown. In that case, for transferring or transporting them, if any expenses are incurred, that is to be added. If expenses are incurred for the manufacture, included in the manufacturing cost. But here, they are incurred for transporting goods to another godown. If you incur that expenses also are to be not given separately. It is to be added to this cost. So this cost will go up because including the transport. In that case, we are doing and paid 478 at the transport charges. So in addition to when we are transferring them to the bakery, we paid 478 rupees. So 478 rupees means 478 for how many kgs? 20 kgs we transfer. So we transfer 20 kgs divided by 20 means 2390 rupees per kg are to be added into 20 means 478 is to be added to the total amount. So total amount will be 478 plus 4587 80. So total cost will be 5065.80. Okay, divided by 20 means this will be 229.39 plus extra expenses 259 times 29. So how do we add that? So here what to do is here. So here in the bill of material, we have to make one operation. So alter master go. So instead of going back, again go to the what you call, you go to the gateway of tally, go to the accounting masters, voucher types, and go to the stock journal, making all the instead of that, simply you can go here. So go to say here. Here. This page will be there as it is. This page will not close. So here, go to alter master. Alter master, what is the master? In the voucher type, we are altering the stock journal. In the stock journal, what we have is the stock journal here. This is manufacturing is used for the manufacturing journal. This is only transfer. They track additional cost for production. So these are additional expenses. Make it yes. Accept. This is accepted. Now we came 2 steps. Escape, escape. So 2 steps we came. So click escape twice. So it will come to the, so this page is there as it is. Okay. Now if we take this here, this is the amount. Okay. You enter that, it will ask you the additional cost. So what is the additional cost? Transport charges. So if it is also percent, you can take percent. But it's not percent. Enter 478. You take that, enter it, 230, including the expenses, but the amount 253.29 paisa. So 253.29 paisa and into 20 numbers. So 5065 rupees 80 paisa, including the expense. So per unit increase and total amount also increase. So that's all. So this is over. This is okay. So now 5,000, but the amount 5,060 per case is 253.29 paisa. Suppose if you are selling, you are selling. So you will enter sales means you have paid. So selling to somebody, some Ranga foods, for example. Ranga foods, selling means country data and I will say Telangana only. So regular number will give accept. So now accept the details of the party. We are making sales. Sales, what you are selling? Chocolate cake you are selling. So go down, it is in three. That is in, where is that? It is in bakery. And out of that, we are selling five cake. Five only. Five you are selling. It is 250 something. You sell it for 350, for example. KG 350. So this is the sales, and they are selling in the same state TGST and HGST. TGST, HGST. 1,837.50 is the sales amount. New reference number one, invoice number one is completed. Okay. Now, for example, if the person is paying something, so receipt we are making, receipt where we are getting, we are getting from Ranga Foods, from Ranga Foods, 1,837.50, total amount 1,837, 50 total amount is paid because small amount. So balance is against reference, this one, and the balance is zero. We are getting cash only to receive that. So like this, we make the entry. So in this case, difference between these two, that is all units are same here. All units are same, but the alternate units here for making the bill of material. There you must be carefully enter. That give the alternate unit, give the alternate unit, give the alternate name. Gram means G, ML means M. If you do, it will automatically convert into kgs or liters. This is about the manufacturing with alternate unit. Okay. So this was it. See the once more, and again you take some example. Okay. So I close that. All the best.